Mesdames et messieurs, welcome to this colorful apartment of 21 square meters. As you can see, once you enter, you have the living space, a big living room, very colorful and also very artistic with few paintings on the wall. Here you have a sofa bed that can welcome two people, a table with some chairs you will be able to unfold and to open to sit with your friends. Also here, you're gonna see it later, but here is a real bed that you can open. Here behind this closet, you have different things that can help you to cook and to eat, welcoming your friends around. Behind this and hidden is a little kitchen that I'm gonna introduce you. Please enter. As you can see on your left, you have a fridge. Then on the right, you have a little oven, which is pretty rare for a studio like this. You can also note still the red, which is very colorful and very stylish.
As Charles said, here, hidden in the wall, you have a real bed for two persons. Let me show you how it can be opened. As you can see, it's a real bed. So this flat, in all potential, can guest up to 4 people. As you can see, it's quite big, it's a quick size, and with the sofa bed, it can welcome around 4 people. The flat itself can welcome up to 4 guests for the short term. It's quite a strange point for a flat of this size. Here, as you can see, you have the quality of the parquet of the 20th century original, which give you a taste of the Parisian style. Right in the left corner of the entrance, you can find a big wardrobe with a depth of 1.5 meters, which is big enough to store all your bags. Following the corridor, as you can see, you have a completely renovated bathroom composed by a toilet, a stylish sink, and a big shower with a window which allow you to have some light into the bathroom.